Hey guys, NATEDOG here, and welcome to the Oakland Elementary School Nature Trail. Now this is in Bowling Springs, South Carolina. I don't know much about it. It looks pretty cool, so let's check it out. Apparently there are two parts to it. There's this part that's paved, and there's a nature trail in the woods. Check this part out later. Nice. Alright, let's check out the dirt trail in the woods. Nice little trail. Really nice trail. Alright guys, that's all time I have for now. If you haven't already, please subscribe. I'll see you guys later. Bye.